Hi everyone, myself Dr. Preeti N. Tallur, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government Arts and Science College, Karwar. In this video, I am going to explain about the terpenoids. The some flowers like rose, jasmine, citrus fruits like orange, lemon, and the sandalwood have the characteristic odor. This odor is due to the presence of specific volatile organic substance. These specific volatile organic substances are known as essential oils. The essential oils may be hydrocarbons or oxygenated derivative like aldehydes, ketones, alcohols. The fragmented hydrocarbons known as terpenes, the fragmented oxygenated derivative known as camphor. Nowadays, the term camphor and terpenes merged and the name is given as terpenoids. Then what are terpenoids? The group of hydrocarbons with a general formula C5H in the bracket of N, as well as their oxygenated, hydrogenated and dehydrogenated derivatives of the plant origin are known as terpenoids. The terpenoids also called as isoprenoids. The name isoprenoids is due to the presence of simple unit isoprene in it. So these are examples for the terpenoids. In the rose, we have the terpenoid geraniol, and in the lemon, we have the terpenoid citral, and in the clove, ignol. Physical properties. Terpenoids are colorless liquid, soluble in organic solvents, and insoluble in water. Most of the terpenoids are optically active, volatile in nature. The boiling point is 150 degrees centigrade to 180 degrees centigrade. The therapeutic use of terpenoids. The terpenoids has a lot of medicinal values, so they are used as an antidepressant. So to reduce the depression, some terpenoids are used. Then antifungal, to cure for the fungal infection, they use the terpenoids are used. Anti-inflammatory, gastroesophageal reflex, immunostimulant. Nowadays we require this immunostimulant, and antibacterial and anti-cancer. Some important essential oils and chemical constituent of terpenes. So geraniol, the molecular formula is C10H18O and the source is rose. Alpha-phenin, the turpentine is the source, and citral, the lemon is the source, and alpha-terpenol, cardamom is the source. Then the menthol, the peppermint. So in menthol is peppermint, and gingerbread, the source is the ginger. Classification of terpenoids. The terpenoids are classified on the basis of number of isoprene units present in the terpenoids. So the first classification is monoterpenoids. Monoterpenoids consist of 2 isoprene units with the molecular formula C10H16. Monoterpenoids are further classified into olefinic acyclic or open chain terpenoids, monocyclic terpenoids, bicyclic terpenoids. So olefinic acyclic terpenoids are open structure with a double bond in their molecule, example citral. Monocyclic terpenoids have only one cyclic ring structure with 2 double bonds in the molecule, so example is menthol. Then bicyclic, 2 cyclic ring structure with 1 double bond in their molecule, the example is camphor. The uses of terpenoids. Usually the monoterpenoids have strong odor and aroma, so they are used in the pharmaceutical companies, and they show a good antibacterial and anti-cancer activity. Sesquiterpenes. Sesquiterpenes are the class of secondary metabolites consisting of 3 isoprene units. They have the molecular formula C15H24 and the found in linear, cyclic, bicyclic and tricyclic forms. Many of the latex producing plants contain sesquiterpenes, and they are used in antimicrobial and as a anti-insecticidal agent. Alpha-cadenin is the example. Then diterpenes. The terpenes containing 4 isoprene units in their molecules are called diterpenoids. They have the molecular formula C20H32. They shows the good anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-cancer and antifungal activities. Even they have the cardiovascular activity. Camphorin and vitamin A are the example for the diterpenoids. terpenes. Then triterpenes, the terpenoids containing 6 isoprenoids in their molecules are called triterpenoids. They have the molecular formula C30H48. Squalene, that shark liver oil, is the example for the triterpenes. Then tetraterpenoids, the tetraterpenoids consist of 8 isoprenoids and the molecular formula is C40H64, and they are present in lycopene, the red pigment obtained from the ripe tomatoes, and carotenoids, coloring substance of carrot. Polyterpenes, the polyterpenes consist more than 8 isoprene in their molecules and the molecular formula is C5H8 in the whole bracket N. So example for this, natural rubbers and synthetic rubbers. So we'll move to the isoprene rule. In 1887, Wallich proposed the isoprene rule. All terpenoids derivatives derived from isoprene enants. It states that skeletal structure of all terpenoids are built up of isoprenoids, that is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. The empirical formula is C5H8. On thermal decomposition, isoprene is the end product. The isoprene rule is useful in the study of concentration of natural product. So I'll repeat once again, what is isoprene rule? So the skeletal structure of all terpenoids are built up of isoprene enants. Then special isoprene rule. So this is also called as Ingold isoprene rule. This is proposed by Ingold in 1925. According to this rule, isoprene enants in the terpenoids are joined by head to tail in a regular fashion. So the branched part we called head and the tail part is on the other side. So the two isoprene molecules are linked in a 3 ways. One is head to head linkage, that is 1-1 linkage, and second one is head to tail linkage, that is 1-4 linkage, and third one tail to tail linkage, that is 4-4 linkage. So 1-1 linkage, the head of the one isoprene molecule link with the head of another isoprene molecule. So the branched part, they are linked. Then 1-4 linkage, that is head to tail, the head of the one isoprene molecule link with the tail of another isoprene molecule. 4-4 linkage, the tail of one isoprene molecule link with the tail of another isoprene molecule. Special isoprene rule is very suitable to limit the number of carbon skeleton of the structure of the unknown terpenoids. But the position of the double bond or the nature of oxygen functions in a terpenes cannot be predicted from the isoprene rule. So this one, beta carotene, it does not obey the isoprene rule. It is a irregular terpene. So the linkage is not like a 4-4-1-1-1-4 linkage. Thank you.